Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments involve risk. Do your own research. M.B.U Banner is not a licensed financial advisor. The M.B.U Group is not responsible for any financial decisions you make. Any third-party content used falls under fair use for commentary and analysis. Please consult a licensed professional before making any investment decisions. NVIDIA has AMD, Apple has Microsoft, Boeing has Airbus, but who does Tesla really have? That's what we're getting into right now. Grand Rising M.B.U. The source is the reason for the profit this season and every season. If you know, then you know. Now, I have to be serious here, so bear with me because this one deserves focus. Part 1. The illusion of competition. When people say Tesla has competition, they're talking about car companies. They're thinking in terms of production, models, prices, and market share, like Ford, BMW, Mercedes, or BYD in China. But here's the reality. Tesla doesn't make cars the way they make cars. Traditional automakers assemble vehicles. Tesla builds intelligence. That's the core difference. Other automakers rely on suppliers, parts, and legacy systems. Tesla relies on data, software, and neural learning. When Toyota makes a car, it's done when it leaves the factory. When Tesla makes a car, that's when the learning begins. That car keeps evolving. It updates over Wi-Fi. It watches, it learns, it adapts. No one else on the planet is doing that at Tesla's scale. Part 2. Every Tesla is a data node. Right now, over 6 million Teslas are driving around the world. Each one is part of a global AI network. Each one collects visual data from 8 cameras, radar in some regions, GPS movement, and driver behavior. When you make a turn, when you brake, when you hesitate before crossing, that data goes into a neural engine that learns how humans drive. Those edge cases, the moments when you act differently, are what teach the system. Tesla doesn't just record what happened, it learns why it happened. That why is what turns software into intelligence. No other automaker has that scale of real-world learning. Part 3. The Dojo difference. Enter Dojo, Tesla's custom-built supercomputer designed to train the full self-driving network. Most car companies outsource AI processing. They use NVIDIA, Google Cloud, or external machine learning platforms. Tesla said, "We'll build our own." Why does that matter? Because owning the training pipeline means Tesla controls both the data and the intelligence. They don't wait for someone else to tell them what their cars can do. They teach their own network directly. Dojo can process exabytes of real-world driving data faster than any cloud service in existence. That means Tesla's cars improve faster, not in years, but in weeks. Part 4. Neural compounding. Think about this like investing. Each Tesla mile driven is a deposit of intelligence into a system that compounds over time. Every update makes the fleet smarter. Every driver feeds the same central brain. That's why Tesla's advantage isn't just big, it's exponential. While everyone else is coding autonomy in labs, Tesla's AI learns from the streets of Los Angeles, the rain of London, the chaos of Beijing, and the snow of Canada. Each environment adds new lessons, and each lesson is shared instantly across the network. It's not just scale, it's speed. Part 5. The global brain. Imagine a human brain learning to drive. Now imagine that same brain multiplied by 6 million, everyone learning simultaneously, correcting each other's mistakes and growing smarter by the minute. That's Tesla's network. If one car encounters an obstacle it's never seen before, say a new type of traffic cone, the system learns it, labels it, and the next update ensures every other Tesla recognizes it instantly. This isn't software, it's collective intelligence. That's why you can't catch up by starting late. You can't fake a brain that's been learning 24/7 for over a decade. Part 6. The false comparisons. Letters proprietary. The updates are over the air. That means Tesla doesn't wait for anyone. They iterate like a tech company, weekly, not yearly. This is why Elon Musk calls Tesla an AI and robotics company disguised as an automaker. He's not exaggerating. Part 10. The fleet feedback loop. Tesla's fleet feedback loop is the most powerful concept in motion learning. 1. Cars drive. 2. Data is captured. 3. Dojo trains on that data. 4. FSD improves. Update rolls out. The cars drive again, better. That's an infinite loop. It's why Tesla's FSD versions leap in capability every few months. While others release new models, Tesla releases smarter brains. That's the difference between evolution and revolution. Part 11, the long game. Tesla isn't chasing quarterly results. They're chasing planetary transformation. Every new car on the road adds to the AI learning pool. Every update increases safety for the entire fleet. Every improvement accelerates the march toward autonomy. So, when people say competition is coming, they misunderstand the nature of Tesla's mission. This isn't about selling more cars. It's about teaching the world's most advanced neural network how to navigate reality. Real competition? None. Let's line it up cleanly. Competitor, core focus, limitation. This BYD, mass EV production, limited AI, regional dominance. Luxury EVs plus LiDAR. Small data pool, BMW, driver luxury. Dependent on third-party chips. Mercedes, design and prestige, radar-based autonomy only. Adventure EVs, no AI ecosystem. Lucid, performance EVs, low production volume. Waymo, AI testing. No consumer fleet, Apple, canceled. AI prototype, project scrapped. Every one of them is missing the same ingredient, scale in data and speed in iteration. Tesla doesn't just lead the race, they are the race. The compounding effect of billions of miles every single day, Tesla adds more data than competitors collect in a year. That data isn't random, it's structured, labeled, and reused to refine neural weights. So even if Mercedes or NIO started today, they'd always be learning from less. And in AI, less data equals slower learning. By 2030, Tesla's cars will have generated over 50 billion miles of autonomous data. That's not just a lead, that's an impenetrable wall. The transition to robotics. Tesla's true competition isn't BYD or BMW, it's itself. The same AI running FSD will one day run humanoid drones and energy networks. The learning engine behind driving autonomy applies to every domain that requires perception, planning, and action. When you realize that, the competition conversation becomes irrelevant. Tesla isn't building vehicles. They're building an artificial brain that will power vehicles, robots, and entire cities. That's why the others aren't even in the same conversation. Part 15, energy integration. No other automaker can tie their vehicles into a self-sustaining energy ecosystem. Tesla builds solar, battery storage, megapack, and EVs that can all talk to each other. Imagine this, your car powers your home charges your power wall stores solar energy and sells it back to the grid. That's Tesla's vision, autonomy that extends from the road to your front door. How do you compete with that? You can't. Part 16, the point of no return. Let's say every major automaker formed an alliance today, BMW, Toyota, Hyundai, BYD, Volkswagen, and decided to build a super EV intelligence network. They'd need 10 years to build the hardware pipeline, 10 more to train the AI, a global feedback network spanning millions of cars. That's 20 years before they'd even reach Tesla's current level, by which time Tesla would be operating fully autonomous fleets and humanoid support robots. You can't race someone who's already finished the lap and started the next one. Part 17, the future. They can't replicate. Tesla's future doesn't rely on competition catching up. It relies on the network maturing. Once FSD reaches human-level capability and robotaxi deployment begins, Tesla flips from product company to platform company. Just like Apple monetized iOS and Google monetized search, Tesla will monetize mobility intelligence. Every car becomes a profit-producing asset. Every owner becomes part of the ecosystem. Every mile becomes a transaction. That's not automotive competition. That's digital transformation. The kingdom principle. This is bigger than tech. This is stewardship. Tesla's system shows what happens when discipline, time, and vision align. The same principles we teach inside M.B.U. Little by little, wealth and wisdom grow. Musk didn't shortcut the process. He built it brick by brick. Proverbs 13:11 says, "Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it." That's exactly what Tesla's doing. Gathering knowledge little by little, second by second, until the world can't ignore the result. Part 19, the final perspective. So yes, NVIDIA has AMD, Apple has Microsoft, Coke has Pepsi, but Tesla has no equal. It's not arrogance, it's architecture. No one else built what they built in the way they built it. Every other company is still trying to master production. Tesla has already mastered intelligence. That's not competition, that's evolution. Grand Rising M.B.U. The source is the reason for the profit this season and every season. If you know, then you know. Remember, it's not just about investing in stocks, it's about investing in understanding. Because when you understand the system, you move differently inside it.